French restaurant. Welcome to Kiki's French restaurant, where you can experience the best French cuisine. First, set the tableware. There are strict rules on the tableware setting in a French restaurant. Don't place them casually. Two customers require 2 sets of tableware. Hello, can I have the menu? First, order an appetizer. The customer doesn't know what to eat. Why don't you give them a suggestion? Salad. Then, select an entree. Steak and fries. At last, choose a dessert. Apple tart. Appetizer. Salad. Choose the things you need. Egg. Not this one. Salad mix. Slicer. Spoon. Vegetable knife. Please choose a type of salad for your customers. Tuna salad. Salads, mixed veggies, or fruits that are seasoned with sauces. Make the salad. Scrape off the fish flesh. Choose a nice-looking plate. Choose 3 ingredients for the salad. Select one type of dressing. Mayonnaise. Let's find these seasonings. Lemon juice. Egg yolk. Salt. Soybean oil. Yellow mustard. Wow! The delicious salad is finished! Sorry for the wait. Here is your appetizer. Before starting to eat, fold your napkin in half and place it on your thigh. Entree, steak and fries. Choose the things you need. Steak, potato, slicer, peeler, steak and fries are a beloved staple food. Juicy steak paired with some crispy fries taste really delicious. Make steak and fries. First, marinate the steak. Salt, black pepper, medium well steak. Tastes nice and tender. Perfectly timing. Turn off the heat. The steak is finished. Now go and make the fries. Salt, black pepper, flour, let's first set the temperature. Then set the cooking time. Choose a nice-looking plate. All finished! The steak looks so delicious! Here is your entree. Bon appetit! If you are done eating, place your knife and fork to the right of your plate. Dessert, apple tart. Choose the things you need. apple. Peeler. Apple tart mold. Frying pan. Apple tart naturally use apples as part of the filling. It tastes just as good as it looks. Make apple tarts. Add some sugar. Pour in some hot water. Stir the apple slices. Now let's make the apple tart crust. Then use the mold and press. Oh, the stacked apple slices look like pretty flower petals. Let's first set the temperature. Then set the cooking time. Use a glass to help remove the tart mold. Choose a nice-looking plate. Wow! This apple tart is perfect! Your dessert is here. Please enjoy. After eating, remember to use the corner of the napkin to wipe your mouth and fingers. Usually people would have a cup of coffee after the dessert, which signals the end of a French meal.